There's something truly special about creating something with your own hands. Building your own home takes this satisfaction to a whole new level. Imagine walking through a house that you planned, designed, and built. Every detail reflects your vision. It's a dream many people share, and with the right guidance, you can turn this dream into a reality. This journey will be challenging. It will test your patience, but the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine the sense of accomplishment as you lay the final brick or hammer in the last nail. The pride you'll feel showing your creation to friends and family. This is about more than just construction. It's about creating a legacy. This guide will help you navigate the complex world of home building. We'll cover everything from understanding building codes to selecting the right materials. We'll explore the importance of careful planning and budgeting, ensuring you're well prepared for the journey ahead. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and begin? Let's embark on this exciting adventure together, turning your vision of a dream home into a beautiful reality. Before you even think about picking up a hammer, you need to understand the rules of the game. Every town, city, and region has specific building codes and regulations. These codes are not optional. They exist to ensure the safety and structural integrity of all buildings. Building codes cover a wide range of aspects, from foundation requirements to electrical wiring and plumbing. They dictate the types of materials you can use and how they must be installed. Familiarize yourself with these codes early in the process. Ignoring building codes can lead to serious consequences. You could face fines, delays, or even be forced to demolish parts of your project. It's crucial to work closely with your local building department. They can provide you with the necessary information and guidance. Remember, building codes are there to protect you, your family, and your investment. By understanding and adhering to these regulations, you're ensuring your dream home is built to last and built safely. Building a house is a significant financial undertaking. It's crucial to establish a realistic budget from the outset and stick to it as closely as possible. Start by determining how much you can realistically afford to spend. Factor in the cost of the land, materials, labor, permits, and inspections. Don't forget to include a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. These unforeseen costs always arise during construction projects. Create a detailed spreadsheet outlining every anticipated cost. Get quotes from multiple suppliers and contractors. This will help you compare prices and find the best deals. Regularly review and update your budget as the project progresses. Managing your finances wisely will give you peace of mind throughout the building process. Remember, it's easier to control costs from the beginning than to play catch-up later on. A well-structured plan is the foundation of any successful construction project. Start by breaking down your project into smaller, manageable phases. This could include site preparation, foundation, framing, roofing, electrical, plumbing, and finishing. Once you have a clear picture of each phase, create a realistic timeline. Consider factors like material delivery times, contractor availability, and weather conditions. A detailed schedule will help you stay organized and on track. Use project management tools or software to visualize your timeline and track progress. Regularly communicate with your contractors and suppliers to ensure everyone is on the same page. A well-planned schedule minimizes delays, reduces stress, and helps you stay within budget. Remember, proper planning is crucial for bringing your vision to life on time and within the expected time frame. Section 5. Assembling your team. Choosing the right contractors. Unless you're a jack of all trades, you'll need to hire skilled professionals to help with your build. Selecting the right contractors is paramount to the success of your project. Start by seeking recommendations from friends, family, or your architect. Interview potential contractors thoroughly. Ask about their experience, areas of expertise, and availability. Check their references and look for examples of their previous work. Ensure they are properly licensed and insured. Clearly communicate your expectations and get everything in writing. This includes the scope of work, payment terms, and project timeline. A detailed contract protects both you and the contractor. Remember, your contractors are your partners in building your dream home. Choose them carefully, communicate openly, and build strong relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Section 6. Permits and inspections, dotting the I's and crossing the T's. Obtaining the necessary permits and scheduling inspections is a crucial aspect of any construction project. Before you begin any work, contact your local building department to determine which permits you need. Permits ensure your project complies with safety regulations and building codes. Inspections verify that the work is being carried out correctly at each stage. Failing to obtain permits or passing inspections can lead to costly delays and rework. Be prepared to submit detailed plans and drawings to the building department. Schedule inspections well in advance and be present during the inspection process. Address any issues raised by the inspector promptly. While permits and inspections may seem like bureaucratic hurdles, they are essential for ensuring a safe and compliant structure. Embrace them as necessary steps toward realizing your dream home. Section 7. Blueprints to reality. Working with architects and designers. Translating your vision into a functional and aesthetically pleasing home requires the expertise of architects and designers. They possess the knowledge and skills to create detailed blueprints that meet your needs and comply with local regulations. When selecting an architect, consider their style, experience, and communication skills. Look for someone who listens attentively to your ideas and translates them into innovative design solutions. Work closely with your architect to develop a comprehensive set of blueprints that encompass every aspect of your home. This includes the layout, room sizes, window placements, and exterior elevations. Remember, the design phase is crucial for creating a home that functions well and reflects your personal style. Invest time and effort in this stage to ensure your dream home becomes a reality. Section 8. The legal side of construction, contracts, insurance, and liability. Building a home involves inherent risks. It's crucial to protect yourself and your investment by understanding the legal aspects of construction. Start by having a legally binding contract in place with your contractors. Ensure the contract clearly outlines the scope of work, payment terms, insurance requirements, and dispute resolution procedures. Obtain liability insurance to protect yourself from potential accidents or damages that may occur during construction. Verify that your contractors have workers' compensation insurance to cover any injuries sustained on your property. Document all communication and agreements in writing to avoid misunderstandings. By addressing legal considerations up front, you can mitigate risks and focus on the exciting aspects of building your dream home. Remember, a little legal precaution goes a long way in ensuring a smooth and successful construction process. Section 9. Material selection, quality, and sourcing. Choosing the right materials is crucial for the durability, aesthetics, and sustainability of your home. Research different types of materials, considering factors like cost, maintenance, and environmental impact. Establish relationships with reputable suppliers who offer quality products at competitive prices. Compare quotes from multiple suppliers and don't be afraid to negotiate. Inspect materials carefully before delivery to ensure they meet your standards. Consider using sustainable building materials like bamboo, recycled plastic, or reclaimed wood. These eco-friendly options reduce your environmental footprint and promote a healthier living environment. Remember, the materials you choose will shape the look, feel, and longevity of your home. Invest time in selecting materials that meet your needs, budget, and environmental values. Section 10. Safety first. Protecting yourself and your crew. Safety should be your top priority throughout the entire construction process. Establish clear safety protocols and ensure everyone on the job site adheres to them. Provide your contractors with a safe working environment by implementing proper signage, lighting, and fall protection measures. Make sure everyone on site wears appropriate personal protective equipment, such as hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, and steel-toed boots. Regularly inspect tools and equipment to ensure they are in good working order. Conduct regular safety meetings to discuss potential hazards and reinforce safe work practices. Encourage workers to report any unsafe conditions immediately. By fostering a culture of safety, you create a secure environment for everyone involved in building your dream home. Remember, safety is not negotiable. It's everyone's responsibility. Section 11. Communication is key documentation and record keeping. Effective communication and meticulous documentation are essential for a successful construction project. Establish clear lines of communication with your contractors, suppliers, and the building department. Document all decisions, agreements, and changes in writing. Keep detailed records of permits, inspections, material deliveries, and payment schedules. Maintain a photographic record of the construction progress. Regularly communicate with your team to discuss progress, address concerns, and resolve issues promptly. Maintain open and honest dialogue to foster a collaborative and productive working relationship. Comprehensive documentation not only keeps everyone informed, but also serves as a valuable resource for future reference. It helps track expenses, manage warranties, and provides a historical record of your home's construction. Remember, clear communication and thorough documentation are the cornerstones of a well-managed and successful construction project. By prioritizing these aspects, you'll ensure a smoother and more rewarding building experience.